Paradigm Materials is excited to announce ThermoFusing, its new patented process for constructing composites assemblies. This technology will revolutionize thermoset composites manufacturing. Within manufacturing today, there are only three methods of joining thermoset composite parts: bolting, bonding, and co-curing. Each of these methods have their limitations. Bolted joints first require holes drilled into the parts. This creates weak spots in the parts, which must be compensated for with extra composite material. The process of positioning and drilling the holes into the parts is also time-consuming and requires a lot of expensive hardware. Bonded joints require extensive surface preparation before the adhesive can be applied. They also require a great deal of inspection after curing to make sure the joint was properly made. If the adhesive doesn't bond the parts together correctly, the joint must be remade or scrapped. To make a co-cured joint, all parts are first laid up separately, then assembled together prior to the cure stage. This can be very challenging for large or complex parts. After the parts are placed together, the entire assembly must be cured. This can dramatically increase the size of the autoclaves required, or the complexity of the mold structure required to maintain assembly shape during cure. All of these current methods have their limitations and introduce excessive costs, consume extra material, require considerable labor, and create complex process challenges. We at Paradigm Materials believe there is a better way. The thermofusing process keeps all of the benefits from the existing methods, but eliminates all of their deficits. In a thermofusing joint, parts are laid up and cured separately, then placed together into an assembly fixture using a shim ply to close all gaps between parts at the joints. Then the joints are cured a second time, either with local heating or in an oven. During this second cure, the parts are completely merged into one continuous structure. The thermofusing process reduces the direct labor requirement of making a joint, allowing technicians to work on other process steps while the secondary cure takes place. It also eliminates the need to add extra material to protect against induced part weakness. The joints produced with this process are inherently stronger, as they are fully cross-linked material across the joint, making them indistinguishable from the surrounding material. Thermofusing can be adapted today to almost any thermoset epoxy resin system and integrated into existing layup systems to make stronger, lighter, less expensive parts. For more information on how thermofusing can be incorporated into your composites program, contact Paradigm Materials today.